rest on both sides of the cabin. When they are not put down, the forklift cannot work. The seat can be folded to make the operation of standing or sitting. The joystick can be adjusted to meet different operation heights and tiled direction. Turn on the emergency stop switch and key switch, the forklift will be on. Press the pedal, perform an operation. If not press the pedal, no action is performed. When perform a hydraulic action, both hands need to grip the handle completely, and there are sensors on the handle. When perform a driving function, the left hand operates the steering wheel and the right change hand should grip the handle completely to operate. If do not grip the handle, there is fault code shown on the instrument display. Left hand push the hydraulic lever button forward and backward, forklift platform lifting and lowering. Left hand push the hydraulic lever button right and left, the forks will move right and left. Right hand push the hydraulic lever button forward and backward. The forklift is driving forward and backward. Control the steering wheel forklift to perform a steering operation. Right hand press forklifting lowering button and left hand push the hydraulic lever button forward or backward. The forks lifting or lowering. Right hand press forks rotation button and left hand push the hydraulic lever button forward and backward to left or right. The forks will rotate. Right hand press synchronized side shifting rotation button and left hand press the hydraulic lever button to left or right. The forks would side shift and rotate synchronously. Press horn button at right hand back. Return the forks to its basic operation. Left hand press one click play squeeze button. Right hand push hydraulic lever left and right. The fork perform a play squeeze function. Return the forks to its basic operation. Left hand press one click pick good button. Right hand push hydraulic lever button left and right. The forks executive pick good function. Left hand press the one click centering button. The forks will go to the center and rotate 90 degrees automatically. Left hand press simultaneous lower the button at the handle back and push the hydraulic lever button forward. The auxiliary forks and main must lowered at the same time.